Our session today is how to measure weight. Okay, our lesson today, measuring weight. Okay, to measuring weight, we use 2 units. The first unit is gram, and the second unit is kilogram. The first unit, gram, I used it for measuring the light things like ring, pen. But the kilogram, I used it to measuring weight of heavier things like fish, vegetables, fruits, your weight, and so on. Okay, we should know first and 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. So 1 kilogram, it equals 1000 gram. So if I have 1 kilogram, I multiply by 1000 to give me 1000 gram. So 2 kilograms equals 2000 gram. 2 kilograms equals 2000 grams. Okay, anyone can tell me now? 3 kilograms equals how gram?
1000 kilograms.
3000 gram. 3000 gram. Anyone can tell me 12 kilogram equals how gram?
12,000 grams.
Yes, 12,000 gram. Excellent, Farida. Okay, 12,000 gram.
I am
Who?
Rimes.
Yes, Rimes. Okay. Anyone can tell me 23 kilogram equals how gram?
23,000 grams.
Great word,
Wow.
girls. Excellent, girls. 23,000 gram. Okay. Let's do the next step. The next step is, if I have 4,700 gram, it equals ha kilogram and ha gram. In this case, I said that thousands for kilogram, the thousands for kilogram. So here it's the 4,000. So the 4,000, number 4, it's kilogram, because in the kilogram we write the thousands. And the rest, hundreds units sentence, I wrote it for grams. 700 gram. I think it's so easy. So who can answer this question? Who can answer this one?
Me.
4,500 gram equals ha kilogram and a gram. Ha. Who can tell me? Ibrahim?
No.
Can not. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Who can answer?
Me. Rimes.
Someone else?
Me.
Who said me? Send me your name.
Malika.
Okay, Malika, ha. Yes, 4 kilogram, huh? And?
500 grams.
Yes, 500 gram. Another one, this will be the last one. 7,009 gram equals ha kilogram and ha gram. Huh? Tell me your name. Tell me your name.
Malika.
Someone else except Rimas and Malika. Someone else? Someone else? Okay, Rimas. Huh? Okay.
7.
Yes, 7 kilogram.
And 009.
So it's 9. This is number 9.
Yeah.
I read it 9, 7,009. So it's 9 grams without putting zeros because it's 9. Okay,
Okay.
it's easy,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Let's move. Another lesson, measuring time. Measuring time. We know our clock. Here 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, this is our clock. Our clock, we should know some information about it. The information here is, our clock consists of two hands, the big hand or the long hand and the small hand. The big hand or the long hand, I called it the minute hand. So the big one, it's for the minutes. And the small hand, it's for hours. So we have the minute hands, it's the longer hand, and the hour hands is the small hands. Okay, we should know something else. Between 12 and 1, I have small lines like this. If I count it from 12 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's 5. So from 1 to 12 to 1, we have 5 minutes. And from 1 to 2, I have another 5 minutes. That means here 5 minutes and here 5 minutes, it's gonna be 10 minutes. So 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, then 15 minutes, then 20 minutes, then 25 minutes, then 30 minutes. If I move from 12 to 6, from this part I have 5 minutes from 12 to 1, from 12 to 2, 10 minutes, then 15 minutes, then 20 minutes, then 25 minutes, then 30 minutes. If I move back to the other parts, I make the same. From 12 to 11, I have 5 minutes. But from 12 to 10, I moved 10 minutes. From 12 to 9, I moved 15 minutes, like table 5, 5, 10, 15. Then 20 minutes, then 25 minutes, and I moved to 30 minutes and 6 again. Okay, but when I want to read the clock, I should divide the clock into two parts. This part I called it past, and this part I called it to. So I have two parts, past and to. I used past and to read the clock. If I make the two hands like this is the big hand. We read the red one, okay? And this is the small hand. When we read the time, I start for the minute hand. Where is the minute hand? It's the longer hand. The longer hand, it's on 5, but I should write it in minutes. So how many minutes here? It's 25 minutes. So I'm gonna write 25 minutes. The big arrow here, it's in the past part or in two part? It's in the past part. So it's gonna be 25 minutes past. Okay, then I'm gonna write the hours. The hours is 3. I think it's so easy. Take another one, then I'm gonna ask you questions. This is our clock. Okay, if I make it like this. I start to read my clock by the minute hands. The minute hand is the big hand, the longer hand. This is the longer hand. The longer hand, it's in here 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So it's a 10 minutes. Okay, the longer hand in the part of past or in the part of 2? It's in the part of 2, so 2. Then read the hours. The hours on 7. It's 10 minutes to 7. I think it's so easy. Okay, if we have clock like this, here we have 12, here we have 2, and I make it like this. It's so simple. It's a 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock because the minute hand on 12. So in the minute hand on 12, it's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and so on. So now, all of you understand? Something hard?
No.
Okay. Ask you a question. I'm gonna ask you a question. Who make noise? Please ask from them to make noise.
It's amazing. This way is for me.
Okay, who can read this clock? Who can read this clock? Huh. Who said me?
Salwa.
Okay, Salwa?
Yes, me.
Huh? Yes, Salwa.
It's 8 o'clock and 8. It's 8 o'clock and 8 minutes.
No, it's not 8 o'clock or 8 minutes. I said before, from 12 to 11, I have 5 minutes. From 12 to 10, it's 10 minutes. From 12 to 9, it's 15 minutes. I count to reach 8. So from 12 to 8, it's how many minutes? We make it 5, 10, 15, then 20. So it's 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes. Then I ask myself, the long hand in the part of past or in the part of 2? It's in the part of past or in the part of 2? Like this one. Either I divide it to past and 2. So 8 in the part of past or in the part of 2?
2.
2. So it's 20 minutes to 2. Then read the small hand. The small hand on number?
8.
8. So it's 20 minutes to 8. Easy now?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move to the other lesson. The converts. Okay. From year to month. 1 year equals month. Anyone can tell me 1 year equals month?
Well,
Year equals what month?
well,
12
well.
months. Okay, so it's a 12 months. So if I want to get the 2 years, 2 years equals month, I said to myself, from year to month, I have 12. So I should multiply by 12. Multiply by 12. 2 times 2 equals 4. And 2 times 1 equals 2. So it's a 24 months. If I make it like 3 years equals months. Who can answer it with me? Who can?
Me. Many.
Me. Salwa, Salwa.
Me.
Salwa.
Me, miss.
Salwa, 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 Salwa,
Say your name. Mazen?
Salwa, Salwa,
Mazen, you
Salwa,
can hear me?
Yes, miss.
Okay, answer. 3 years equals months.
36.
How you can get it?
I multiply 3 by 12.
Yes, excellent. We multiply 3 by 12. So 3 times 2 equals 6. And 3 times 1 equals 3. It's 36. Excellent, Mazen. Okay.
I have another thing. We
Yeah.
can make the second number, but we add for it too. But the first number we add for him one.
Yes, very good. Yes, great work, Mazen. Okay. Another thing, if I have 1 week, it's equals days. 1 week equals days. 1 week equals what days?
Miss Rimas.
Tell me. Just tell me.
Me. Salwa, 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 Salwa.
Tell me. I want to tell me.
7.
7 days. Okay. Who can make 2 weeks equals days? Who can make it?
14.
Salwa?
14.
Salwa?
14.
How you can get it?
We can also multiply 7 by 7.
Yes. Multiply 7 by 2 because they are 2 weeks. So 2 times 7 equals 14 days. Okay. If I have like 5 weeks equals days. Who can make it? 5 weeks.
35.
It's 35 because I'll multiply by 7. It's 35 days. Okay. If I have 1 day, it equals hours. In 1 day,
24.
how many hours?
24. 24.
24.
So 2 days
24.
equals hours. 2 days.
24.
Who can answer?
Yes, me. Me,
Who
miss.
said me? Who said me? Tell me your name.
Mazen.
Okay, Mazen.
48.
How we can get it?
We can make it from 151.
We multiply by 24. So when I'm gonna
24.
multiply 2 by 24, it's gonna be 48. Excellent, great work. Okay. Who can tell me? 1 hour equals how minutes? 1 hour equals how minutes?
60.
Yes, 60 minutes. Okay, half an hour equals
30
how
minutes. 30.
Yes, great work. 30 minutes. Anyone can tell me 1 minute?
Miss, I don't understand.
Okay,
16 seconds.
just wait a
16
minute.
seconds.
Just wait a minute. I'm gonna explain it for you.
66.
1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 hour, 60 minutes. I want to get the half of the hour. That means I divide the hour by 2. So I'm gonna divide 60 by 2 because I get the half of it. I divide it into 2 equal parts. So when I divide 60 by 2, 6 divide 2, it's equals 3, and 0 divide 2, it's equals 0. That means the 60 hours, 60 minutes, it's 30 and 30. So the half of the hour is 30 minutes. Now, easy or not?
Easy.
Okay, 1 minute equals half seconds. 1 minute equals half seconds. 1 minute equals what seconds? Guys, 1 minute equals half seconds.
16 seconds.
60 seconds. So half minute equals half
30
second.
seconds.
Yes, great work. 30 seconds. Okay, let's move to the other lesson. The other lesson here. Please stop singing, or I'll remove you from the meeting. Okay, here our lesson is representing data. When I have table and I want to represent the data, I use 2 ways. The first way is bar line graph, and the second way is broken line. Let's start with bar line graph. He said to you that we have a table, and I have kind of activities like football, basketball, handball, volleyball, and swimming. And I have the number of persons who share to play this activity: football 85, basketball 70, handball 65, volleyball 40, swimming 30. He said to me that representing in a bar line graph. When I want to representing in the bar line graph, I make 2 axes. This is X and this is Y, 2 rays. This ray is X and this ray is Y. The ray of X, I write the number 0 until 90, and here I write football and basketball, handball, volleyball, and swim. Then I will represent. He said to me, in football, how many played football? 85. So I moved from football and go up until reach 85. Here 85, I put my line, then I make the bar line graph. And so on, and so on. If I have basketball, it's a 70. So I moved from basketball to reach number 70 and make the bar line graph, and so on. What about broken line? Broken line, it's different from the bar line graph by we making points. So here we have month, March, April, May, June, July, and we have amount of money, 30, 40, 25, 25, 10. When I wanted to make the broken line, I said March is 30. So I moved from March to reach number 30 and I put a point. Then April 40. I moved from April to 40, then I put a point. After that, May is 25. From May to 25, put a point. After that, June, it's a 25. So I moved from June to 25 to reach 25 and I put the point. And July is 10 points. So I'll join the points together to make the broken line. Okay, we will solve the question together. Here in the first question, he said to me, I have name of pupils and I have value of donations. Ahmed, I don't know the value of donation. How many pounds that someone give it to him? Muhammad, 300. Gurgis, I don't know. Fatima, I don't know. Maryam, 150. We will use the bar line graph to complete the table. He said to me, Ahmed, get her pounds. So I searched for Ahmed and I moved up to reach the pounds. It's 100. I stopped at 100. So Ahmed get 100 pounds. Who can tell me, Gurgis, how many pounds? Huh? Who can tell me about Gurgis? This is Gurgis here. We stopped at rabbit. It's not clear? Now you can see it?
Yes.
Gurgis, how many pounds? Gurgis, get how many pounds? Who can tell me, Gurgis, get how many pounds?
250.
Yes, Gurgis, I moved from Gurgis to reach the top number here. It's 250. So Gurgis get 250. Who can tell me, Fatima? Huh? Fatima. Yes, great work. Yes, great work. 350. So Fatima, 300. Great work. Okay. Another thing. So, okay, here in this question up, I have day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I have number of absence pupils. In Sunday, 3 absence. He said to me, complete the table. Sunday, I have 3 absence. So from Sunday, I go to up to reach 3, and I put a mark. A sign, small sign. Then I'll make the bar line. So Sunday, 3 absence. Monday, how many absence? Who can tell me? Sorry? Who can tell me? Monday, we have how many absence? Monday, how many absence?
5.
So Monday, we have 5 absence. Tuesday, we have 2. That means in Tuesday, I moved from Tuesday to reach 2. Then I make my bar line. I think it's so easy, right?
Right.
Okay, and so on. Let's move to the probability. The probability. There are events that are impossible to happen and events possible to happen and certain events. If I said to you that The sun will rise every morning. The sun will rise every morning. It's impossible to happen?
No.
No. It's possible? Maybe yes, maybe no.
No.
No. It's certain? It's certain? Yes, it's certain because it's happened. It will happen. So we have two events, impossible event, and we have possible, and we have certain. The impossible event, that means something can't happen ever, never. That means the sky will rain gold. If the sky will rain gold, no. So it's impossible to happen. It's impossible. I can't. It can't happen. Can't the sky rain gold? But the possible thing, Malika will success in math. It's possible. Maybe she success and get the full mark, and maybe she not success or not get the full mark. Maybe. I don't know. This is possible. If something I don't know, maybe yes, maybe no, it's possible. But the certain, it's sure to happen. Every day the sun will rise in the morning. Every day. We can't wake up in the morning and we can't see the sun. It's not happened. So this is the certain. Okay. The probability of impossible event, it's impossible to happen. The probability is 0 because it's not happened. So the probability of impossible event is 0. But the probability of certain it happened, it's equals 1. So the probability of impossible, 0. But the probability of certain is 1. Okay. If I said to you that I have 5 balls and they are blue, and I have another 3 red balls. I have 5 blue balls and I have 3 red balls. He said to me that the probability that the drawing ball is red. Guys, you with me? You with me? You with me?
Yes.
Okay. If I said to you that the probability that the drawing ball is red, how many red balls maybe I take it? I have 3 balls. So that means I have 3 red. Over, this is the probability over the total number. How many balls? All the balls that I have it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 3 from 8. So that means I get 3 red balls from the 8 balls. So who can tell me or who can answer this one? If I said to you that the probability that the drawn ball is blue, who can tell me? The probability that the ball is blue, who can tell me? Huh? If the drawn ball is red, I count how many red balls? They are 3. I put it up because we want to read. Over the total. So he said to me, the probability that the drawing ball is blue. Huh?
It's over 3.
Who said?
Rimas.
Okay, Rimas.
Yeah.
Okay, Rimas. Okay, Rimas.
Four balls.
4. Red, how many blue balls?
Blue. 1, 2, 5. Sorry.
5. Yes, so 5. Because he said to me blue. So 5 balls blue from the total. All of them. From all of them. Huh? From 8. Great work. They are 5 from 8. Now I think it's so easy, right?
Yes.
Okay. If I said the probability, if the drawing ball is white, can you see white balls here? Can you see white balls? Can you see white balls?
No.
No, so
I
0.
don't.
From all of them, 8.
8.
So it's equal 0. Because 0 over 8 is 0. So the probability of red, how many red we have? 3 red from 8 balls. The probability of blue, how many blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 from all of them from 8. How many white? I don't have white. 0 from the 8 balls. Now easy?
Yes.
Okay. If I said to you that I have a die. Sorry, I have a coin. You know the coin, right?
Yes.
Okay. Coin consists of 2 things. Head or tail. So I have a coin and I wanted to sing it. And I wanted to see if I get head or tail. Maybe I get head, maybe I get tail, right? Maybe I get head, maybe I get tail. When I get head, it's the half. So when I get head, it's half. So probability of getting head is half. And the probability of getting tail, it's half. Maybe I get head, maybe I get tail. So the one coin, I divided into half and half. Half from head and half for tail. Easy? So when he asked me, the probability of getting head is half. The probability of getting tail, half. Because the one coin, I divided into half and half. So the probability of getting head, half. The probability of getting tail, half. Okay. We will stop now. Anyone want to talk to me with the research?
No.
Any questions about the research?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. In the next session, inshallah, we will solve a small thing about the probability and we will stop. We will talk about the research and inshallah, the next session will be the last session.